All right. Big ship is not sailing on the ocean. The big ship is sailing on our couch today. Parked,
Big
docked
ship
for a
sailing
little.
on the ocean.
And we know
We
how no
don't need no
commotion.
commotion. So like a me do that song.
I'm not sure, but okay. Yes, it does. Before you set me in trouble again this morning. Captain, made his way ashore just to visit us on Smile. We're so happy to see you.
Yes,
Freddie, it's
thank you. As
always good
always.
Sir.
As always.
to have you here. What's happening
My
on the high
Paris.
seas? What's going
We're
on, Cap?
sailing, working. In fact, I'm getting ready to start our tour this weekend. We're in Phoenix, Arizona, then on to LA for the UCLA Reggae Jazz Fest, which features Herbie Hancock, myself, Etan, and a number of other artists. Then we go on to Belly Up Tavern in Sonoma County. Then we fly to Pennsylvania for the Ardmore Ballroom. Then we continue on the East Coast for another 2.5 weeks.
Remember good youth.
Well, so far.
Working.
The Moringa are work, you know.
So tell me a little bit about this collab with Locos por Juana.
Oh, ¿habla español?
Sí.
Sí, yo habla español un poquito.
Oh,
But
bueno.
yes, Locos por Juana is a Spanish group. They're based in South Florida. Real roots suit them too. You know, them love Jamaica and Jamaican music like crazy. So they're working on a new.
Colombia, you're not thinking reggae music?
No, we're not appreciating it because I think a lot of us Jamaicans, we are just here in Jamaica and we don't understand what is happening outside of Jamaica. I went to Colombia recently and Colombia is up when it comes to our music. In fact, there's a big festival in Colombia. One of the biggest festivals every year is in Cartagena. It's called Jamming Festival.
A reggae festival?
Huge, a reggae festival. It has dancehall artists, Elephant. It has most of our Jamaican artists who have already performed. Cape Town did it last year. And so next year, I'm not sure who it will be, but there will be a number of Jamaican artists.
Freddie, may I hear this argument from me a little boy that we don't appreciate it and we don't know this.
I think because we don't get it right. I think we don't understand. Europe, it's amazing. If you should take half of Jamaica and carry them to Europe in the summer, they'd be blown away, totally amazed, the amount of music.
Rotterdam.
I mean, name it. Spain, Italy, France, Germany, you just name it. Reggae is the biggest thing every summer in those communities. And we're talking about thousands of people. And Proto J and Janine and just everybody. So it's a nice mix. And it is all happening outside of our country.
So they're appreciating the stalwarts in the industry, but they're also appreciating the new wave.
They're appreciating the new wave because people look to Jamaica for what's new, what's coming next.
Yes.
And so all we have to do is continue to promote the new next best things. And they will always work.
Sure.
Leela, I can tell you,
Yes.
I'm looking forward to her being the next big star of our country after Kofi, of course. And so we see the female movement start to happen. So we just encouraging more females to come to the fore so we can have a better balance. But yes, it is working.
So apart from the song and the little tour, anything else?
Yes, I have a festival coming up in South Florida. You know, kind of South Florida in and out too.
What do you mean by festival, Brethren?
Well, the Big Ship Music Festival. Oh. It's the first annual.
Oh, that's great,
It
Freddie.
features Marcia Griffiths, Admiral Tibet, Everton Blender Chino, Upton Linda, Glenn Washington, Perfect Gidimani, myself, and a lot of other.
Which name that you just give me?
Perfect Gidimani. That's a serious entertainer right there. You can look him up. Very popular in Europe too. Europe don't leave him on Anthony B every year.
So why you decided to put on a big ship? Why you decided
I always do events in South Florida. I've done Bayfront Park, I've done the Hialeah Racetrack, I've done the Lockhart Stadium, I've done the Broad Center for the Performing Arts, and we've done most of the major venues in South Florida. But South Florida is pretty much like Kingston. It's crowded with stuff. And over the Independence Weekend, which is July 6th, so July 4th is the holiday and it extends until Tuesday. There are too many things happening in South Florida. So I opt to go west, out west, so I ride out west like cowboy. But out west, there's a big community out west. Places like Fort Myers, Tampa, Orlando. Yeah. I mean, there's so many places out west, and there are Caribbean-based communities too.
Everywhere.
Where they cut sugarcane up there as well as another area where you have enough Jamaican people, farm working programs. So sometimes they can come to South Florida for the event, but if you can take the event out there to them, it will work. And so we found a really beautiful venue which is called Port Charlotte Performing Arts Center out there. The county fairgrounds, run by the county, and it's a beautiful venue. Every year you have people like Kenny Rogers and all those big country acts perform out there. So we inquired and we got the date, and the rest is history.
Yes,
Tickets are going fast. They're online at eventbrite.com, and tickets are selling online fast. The booths are almost gone. So people are looking forward to it. They think it's a kind of mini Sumfest for them out there, because they don't get this kind of thing usually. Okay. So we're hoping we can do this annually as well.
Good to see you, sir.
Thank you so much.
Always great to see
him looking all young and handsome, beautiful, just to see him.
You know, tell her she's beautiful because you tell me some handsome.
Gracious, thank you, Freddie.
Freddie, man, you just, sure. You could have just said me handsome and done right.
They say you're beautiful.
Yes. All right.
That's why we laugh every morning. You want some more.
Good to see you, my friend. And good luck with this. Good luck with this.
Yes, thank you.
Good luck with this. All right, you take us out after the break. And some man beautiful, so come. All right, so we're going to come out of here quickly now because the boss still there more here still. So thank you so much for watching. Have a great day today. Be good to someone. Simon Dales be here tomorrow at 6 o'clock. Please join them. But here is Freddie McGregor. We did always want to introduce a big thing. Run the track.